So, how can you do this problem in 30 seconds or less? Which expression is equivalent to this? So we have x to the fourth plus 22x squared plus 121 plus x squared minus 25. Group these, you get 23x squared plus 96. And the answer is B. How was I able to do this problem so fast? You see this problem, you see the multiple choices. Again, don't need to read the text really. So a couple of things to know. The first way to simplify this problem is to always know that a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, right? Instead of trying to FOIL it every single time, memorize this. How to memorize it? Lots of practice. The second thing is difference of squares, which goes by a minus b times a plus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. Of course, some of you guys, avoid the truth that a squared minus b squared is conversely equal to a minus b times a plus b. So it goes both ways. So in this case, this expression is a plus b squared. So we got x squared plus 11 squared, where our a is equal to x squared, our b is equal to 11. So therefore, a squared is going to be equal to x to the fourth, and b squared is going to be equal to 121. Now, 2ab is equal to 2 times x squared times 11, which is equal to 22x squared. Hence, we don't need to FOIL it, we just expand it as x to the fourth plus 2ab plus 22x squared, and then plus 121. That's our first expression. Based on this expression alone, we most likely can eliminate c and d. We're not sure yet, but look at this term, 12x squared. X squared is too tiny. We'll see in the second one. So the second one, let me change the color, maybe orange. So the second one is this one. So x minus 5 times x plus 5. That's just a difference of squares. So x minus 5 times x plus 5. Again, don't need to FOIL it. You just know that this is equal to a squared minus b squared. This is equal to x squared minus 25. Now we need to add these two together. So let's go. So we have x to the fourth plus 22x squared plus 121 plus x squared minus 25. The answer to this is the answer to the problem. Now check this out. X to the fourth stays the same. We don't really need to know it. Why? Because all multiple choices contain the same x to the fourth. That's not a differentiating factor. Now 22x squared plus x squared is a differentiating factor. It's equal to 23x squared. Now, our hypothesis that c and d won't work is true, so c and d are out. Now we just focus on this. Now, what I would do is focus on this is minus 14, this is plus 96. I do know that 121 minus 25 is equal to plus 96, but that's kind of lots of math in your head. What you need to know for sure is that 121 is definitely greater than 25. Hence, it will be a positive answer. So it's going to be this positive answer, so it's a B. You don't need to know that it's 96, you just need to know that it's a positive answer because we got lucky. This one is a negative. So A is wrong, B is the answer. That's it.